Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bagadon. This is StockMarketCaddy.com, and today is Friday, May 5th. We got a few things that we wanted to share with you today, and we have sped up. Once again, we're running another beta strategy. This comes from a member, and I'm going to explain the details in a moment, but I do want everyone to know that the trading was from midnight to just a few moments ago. So it ran from midnight to about 12:30 today, being Friday. And we have compressed this video down to just a few minutes so that we can give you this narration and also share with you some other things that we've been doing this week to maximize your time. First thing, this particular strategy came to us from a member who had an idea, had a concept using some traditional tools, and asked us if we could write a program and thereby do some backtesting on it. And we did. Now, I thought that the tools and the concept would be profitable. I thought that I didn't know how successful. And but when we ran the backtest, it was miserable. It didn't look good. And in fact, it was so bad that I reversed the whole concept, and it looked really good. This was on the NQ in particular. It happened to be on a line break chart. So we decided to set aside some computer time and to run it yesterday. I'm happy to say, as you can see in the note in the corner, the strategy ran from 10 a.m. to 4 and did over $3,360 yesterday with a profit factor of close to 2. It was above water from the get-go all day long. Had a winning percentage in excess at one point of over 70%. I think it finished at about 65%. So it had a very good first day. But as we all know, all of these strategies, just as the market ebbs and flows and ebbs, strategies can come in and out of favor, of course. So we did run it again last night, which is what we've compressed. And once again, profitable just about all night long, as you're seeing. And we just turned it off, and it finished today with $1,151.80. And once again, a profit factor north of 1.5. So a couple of things. This beta strategy will be available to our annual members who have expressed interest in testing out some of these beta strategies. I just ask that please don't look at them as a holy grail. Don't run them just for one day or a couple of hours. It wouldn't be fair to yourself and or the strategy. Take your time. We will be doing the same. In fact, this particular strategy, we tentatively have nicknamed it the shotgun. I'm not sure we're going to stay with that name. We'll keep you posted. We took the same strategy, though, last night and looked at it on the ES. And in its reverse mode, it didn't do that well. But in its front mode, it kind of did. So what we might end up having to do is have a forward direction on this strategy and a reverse direction. Now, could it be that the folks controlling these markets and the machines controlling these or trading these markets, that they do something similar? Is that what it's picking up on in the back test? Maybe. Would they be that diabolical? I'll leave that up to you. I tend to think so. But regardless, it had a very good day. Now, I also want to share with you a couple of days. I want to share with you some other success that we had this past week. And by the way, these videos are meant to be inspiring. If you find them annoying and you don't want them, just let us know, and we'll take you off the the mailing list. Happy to do that. But there have been folks that have asked us to make sure that they get copied on it. So this past week, when you look at radar, you have the euphoria column and the panic column, which are particularly important when it comes to the daily view. On Monday, the daily S&P was in euphoria. The daily VIX was in panic. We made a video on Monday or Tuesday that we were shorting the S&P using put contracts for the middle part of June. we bought those put contracts at 416, and you can see the video. We explain in detail what we were doing. It's on YouTube. Those put contracts were up over 100% in just 2 or 3 days this week. Yesterday, we had the Russell on a daily basis in panic. We went into the public markets, the traditional markets, and we bought call options on the IWM for just several days, for next Friday. We closed a good portion of those contracts for over 100% return today. Also, yesterday, gold on a daily basis was trading in euphoria. We went into the GLD, into the ETF market, and we bought puts also for next Friday. Not that we were bearish gold, we're not. But we just thought that gold, courtesy of Swing Machine, had come too far too fast. We closed those puts this morning for over 150% return. Swing Machine is a wonderful tool. It can be used to identify trends, counter trends. You can choose your intervals. You can use volume. You can use transactions. You can trade futures. You can trade stocks and/or options. We need and want to be versatile, varied in what we're capable of trading because we are traders. So again, I just wanted to share that with you. We're busy as well totally revamping our website. We hope to have a new website within the next couple of weeks. And this website is going to have some special tools to it for both new passerbys, but also for our monthly members and annual members, where we hope to be able to share more and more how these tools can be used. There is a tremendous amount of power at your fingertips, whether you are a monthly member or an annual member. And if you are a passerby, we welcome your visit to the website as it stands today. We welcome your questions, and you are more than welcome to call me any day, including over the weekend. I'll be in the office tomorrow, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Now, I'm not going to be there all day, but I will take your phone call at 813-758-8263 any day, including weekends, from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. We wish you the best. We hope you had a good week. We are not a broker. We are not a financial advisor. We're not getting caught up in the macro babble. We are mechanical, robotic traders, robotic and mechanical, back and forth and back, looking to build a repetitive approach, much like a golfer, a repetitive swing. And we're trying to play the market where the market is, where the ball lies, not where I think it might be or where someone else might think it might be. If this resonates with you, give us a shout. Have a great weekend. And to those who got hold of some of those trades, congratulations. And oh, by the way, one of our annual members did the same on NatGas. On a daily basis yesterday, NatGas was in panic. He went in, got his trades on. NatGas is up today over 5%. Good luck.